Hi guys, hope you're doing well. My name is Siddharth and today I'm going to give you 5 reasons why wooden kazoos are way better than the aluminium ones. And I'm also going to show you how you can make your own membrane. So stick till the end. So I get a lot of questions saying that, hey, the wooden kazoos, they look really awesome. But then are they worth it? And what's the difference between aluminium and wooden kazoos? Why should I even go for wooden kazoos? Well, all your questions will be answered today. So let's get started. Number 5. Aluminium sounds more nasal and the wooden ones, they sound more wholesome. Now if you're someone who is into music, you'll know that how unforgivable the nasal sound can be. It can be really annoying. I have made almost every cover using aluminium kazoo. Faced a lot of issue because it had high amount of nasal tone in it. And so the editing process was very frustrating. But wooden kazoos, they sound so rich and smooth that it has removed all the inconvenience. It sounds so perfect right from the start. Number 4. Wooden kazoos has a balanced sound. Aluminium ones lacks bass into it and has more of a treble. Wooden kazoos has an airtight body. What I mean by that is if I block the other end of the kazoo with my finger, it's completely blocked and I won't be able to play it. It has no air leakage. So what's so great about it? If a kazoo has an airtight body, it will give you the right amount of bass, mid and treble, balanced sound. But if it has air leakage, which is in the case of aluminium, it will sound hollow with no bass, just the treble sound made by the plastic, and the body of the sound doesn't really help in giving its own tone. Kazoo is an instrument which sounds great if the sound of the membrane and the tone of the kazoo body goes hand in hand. Number 3. Aluminium sounds like a toy. Wooden sounds like a professional musical instrument. It's like you're comparing a toy guitar with an actual professional guitar. Sure, the toy guitar will also make sound, but if you want music, then the wooden kazoo is a no-brainer. It sounds much professional and it has a soothing musical tone to it. Number 2. Wooden is sexy. What I mean by sexy is that it's the best instrument to make it sound like a saxophone. You can give those jazzy feels with it effortlessly. With aluminium, it is too much of unnecessary work and it's time consuming, and time is valuable. Number 1. Looks. This looks like a work of art. If cops catch you with this, you're gonna have tough time convincing them that it's a musical instrument. So if wooden kazoos are so much better, then why do you play aluminium ones? I used to play the aluminium ones, but I was never satisfied with its sound. So I decided to make my own kazoo with my dad to get the sound which I needed in a kazoo. Now fortunately we were able to make the dream kazoo. How many extra membranes will you give with it? The answer is none. Now I understand that having an extra membrane will make you feel much more secure, but I personally feel that it's a dirty marketing trick. When you can clearly make your own membrane, it's pretty easy. Let me show you how it's done. Get a gelatin paper, cut it into 2 into 4 cm, fold it into 2, place it, screw it, play it, and it's done. So easy. So don't fall into trick of extra membranes. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, you can type in the comment section or DM me in my Insta at @thekazoo-guru. I reply to everyone, almost. Playing kazoo has become more enjoyable than ever. But remember, practice makes a woman or a man perfect. So the more you play it, the better you become. Thanks for watching.